Hello everyone and welcome to Argovis.com. I created this web app as an interface to the Argo dataset. Argo is an array of floats that measure temperature and salinity of our oceans globally. The floats plummet as deep as 2 kilometers and measure along the entire water column. If you aren't familiar with Argo, then I recommend you watch a few videos about it to get yourself acquainted. I'll wait. All done? Great. Let's continue. Argo is generating a large amount of data about our upper oceans. However, there are few visualization and data retrieval tools out there. Until now. I wrote Argoviz so that amateur and professional alike can quickly access and visualize Argo data. You don't have to know any programming whatsoever to use my app. With that being said, there are some API extensions that allow access outside the browser. I will dedicate a series of tutorials on these API later on. My intention with these first videos is to show students, scientists, or science enthusiasts how to access Argo data quickly and painlessly, and dare I say, funly? I designed the interface around a Google Maps-like page. When you visit the page, you are greeted with a Web Mercator projection with a bunch of yellow dots. But what do they mean? These dots are profile measurements taken within the past 7 days. Yes, you've heard right. Argoviz updates daily. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm overwhelmed with all of these dots. We can clear the map of these profiles any time by clicking the Clear Map button. Ah, that's better. What are these buttons up here? Argoviz allows you to select different backgrounds, such as ESRI, Google, or my favorite, Ocean Base Map. If you have another base map in mind, or have a feature that you would like to see, be sure to comment in this video or send the folks at argo@ucsd.edu an email. Now suppose that you are a polar bear and want your map centered around the northern hemisphere. I included a northern stereographic projection view just for you. Click here to view this projection. But what about Penguin? Doesn't she get a projection of her own? Don't worry, Penguin, I haven't forgotten about you. Click right below Polar Bear's projection to view a southern stereographic projection. We now know the basics of Argoviz. In the next video, we will visit the profile and platform pages. Stay tuned.